Agile Manifesto Value 4: Responding to change over following a plan. Now, in this value, we will discuss what is more important, whether it's responding to change or just following a plan. So Agile Manifesto says, or Agile Manifesto value responding to change over following the plan says that it is more important to respond to a change required by the customer rather than just following the rigid plan that we used to follow in the older development methodologies. Now, why is this important? Why is responding to change important as compared to following a plan? So the first thing is that projects keep changing due to various factors, and those factors can be business operations or how the other business players are performing in the market. It could be that, it could be legislation, it could be competitor activity, technology advances, etc. So because of all these factors, projects keep changing, and due to changes in the market, there might be a need that whatever was discussed or whatever was a requirement today might not be valid 6 months down the line. And that is the key reason that in this volatile environment nowadays, with so much technological advances, that it is very important that projects should be able to accommodate change rapidly. So responding to change is very important rather than just rigidly following the plans. The second point is rigid plans and processes do not help the customer. Now, because of these technological advances or the factors that might impact the changes in the project, if we start following a rigid plan as we used to follow in older development methodologies, then you will end up, after 1 year down the line, you will end up creating a product which might not be required anymore in the market, or the market demand has changed. And that is the whole reason that rigid plans are no more acceptable or no more helpful to the customer. So customer basically wants to analyze the market need, and then based on those market needs, the development team should be able to accommodate or respond to the changes that are required by the customer, not just rigidly following the plans and processes. Rigid plans and processes do not help the customer. The next point is that development should be quickly able to adapt to changes. Now, because of all these volatile changes or volatile market conditions and technological advances, business or competitor activity, the development team should be able to accommodate any changes required due to these factors by the customer. So if a customer comes or does a market research 2 months down the line, when the project started, and he comes up with some new features, the team should be able to accommodate those new features, as well as if there are some changes to the existing feature as per the market demand, they should be able to accommodate those changes quickly in the development life cycle. Now, because software projects change due to like many internal and external factors, development team should quickly adapt to those changes, and agile teams are expected to anticipate and welcome change throughout the development life cycle. So that is why responding to change is the key to agile software development.